We got one, and in between while we were grabbing the other one, Missy was eating, and these chickens are putting their head through, just like that. And Missy just snapped. Okay, so you're gonna hold his legs. Okay, you're gonna have to hold his back legs. Oh my goodness gracious.
Are they big?
No, I don't feel them.
Did you guys get the wrong one?
Just look away. Just look away. And clean them off. Really good. Okay. You did great, baby. You did great.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Whoa! Did Missy just bite it? Okay, I see him. Gosh dang. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, 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 no, crap.
Did Missy just bite it? Dang it. Dude, she just hit stupid freaking chicken. Okay, everybody go inside. We'll regroup. I'm not telling you to chill out. I don't know what to do. I know it's dead. Please go. Let me get a knife. So this just happened. We got one pig castrated, and in between while we were grabbing the other one, Missy was eating, and the feed was right up against here, and these chickens are putting their head through, just like that. And Missy just snapped and killed this chicken. So now I have to put it out of its misery. Crush the skull. I don't understand why castrating pigs is so difficult for us. Why?
So bad.
Why is this so bad?
So all three of the kids came into the room.
It was she was mostly gone, but
I cannot believe.
I put her in the cone. Well, that was not fun. It wasn't the worst. Definitely when we had the piglet die after castrating him. That was one of the worst that we've had here on the property. Didn't get any meat from it. It was the strongest pig, and he died. A pig eating a chicken's head, that is not the worst. It's not fun, I'm not gonna say that, like, especially just because of the ironic of like back-to-back castrations going, not ideal. That was one of our original chickens. We actually hatched them out with the incubator. But so she was old and she needed to be culled anyway in the way, but I didn't want it to happen that way. She was just kind of squirming around. She wasn't dead. That was the bad thing, is Missy did crush her skull, but didn't exactly kill her. So I had to put her in the cone and end her misery. Gave her to the 3 bigger pigs, and she was dead, and they took care of it. If we didn't have pigs, we would have to eat her, which is not bad. It's just you just have a different issue to deal with. When you have pigs, it's nice and easy. That was a bizarre time, you guys, and I'm gonna put a different kind of video up here that has nothing to do with castrating pigs. So check it out right there. Thank you for being with us in our extremely bizarre homestead adventure. wow, some days are just straight up bonkers. Come on, Goldie.